These habits we have started, but we have to continue. For that only I made 21 days. If you get, then automatically you will continue. You can continue. Drinking water is must every day in your life. That wherever law, all the time you have to drink. Even I will be conscious about my water intake and I'll drink. Sometimes if I forget, we feel like little low energy. So water gives more energy to us. That is must. Setting bed is very important because that makes your environment clean and your mind will be fresh. If your room is dirty, you don't feel comfortable in doing many more things. If your room is neat, you feel like to do good things more actively. Okay? So always make your around surrounding neat by yourself. Don't expect your parents to be do. Because from the second class onwards, children can take the responsibility of all their self. So now you are already in sixth and eighth classes, means definitely you can do this. And being kind to the people and maintaining good relations is very important. That help us to be happy. Only 5 minutes I'll take today extra. By 6:35 I'll close. So by helping to the people, when you're having good relationship with the people, your mind will be positive. That good energy, positive energy will come to you. So sometimes even if you get angry, make yourself calm. If you get anger, that is loss for you, not for the person opposite who is in front of you. No, you cannot achieve anything with anger. It looks like great thing, but it's not great. Okay, be calm. With calmness only you can achieve wonders. Got it? Be appreciate the people, whoever, whatever they do, make a habit of appreciating. Don't, when you have the habit of appreciating everyone's work, no jealousy will come into your brain. If jealousy comes, it beats us, it kills us. So always make a habit of praising others. See the good thing, even if your friend, even if your competitor. Observe what is good in them. That's it. Don't say we can find the faults. She did like this, she did like that, but that's not the way of good competition. Okay, competition is for your growth. In case if someone is doing good or it's okay, we can improve. We should focus on ourselves than before day to today. We need to improve ourselves every day. So be kind with the people. Say thank you. In case if mistake is from your side, say sorry and appreciate the people. These three basic values you have to follow in your every situation. And this is one thing. Yesterday, one ma'am told na you add two fruits in your diet. So did you start? If you didn't start, start today. In case if it's not available, go with your parents to fruit shop. On Sundays, you can buy the fruits, apple, pomegranate, grapes, all. So daily two fruits you put in your diet. No parent will say no to fruits. Everyone will support you. So in case if you are not comfortable, from today you have to follow. All the time if you are not able to eat in emergency, if you don't have fruits at home, dry fruits also you can take it. But fresh fruits, make sure fresh fruits, two types to be there in your diet every day must. Okay, very good, Adya. Okay, children, every day if you update in the group, it is good for you and others also will get inspired to follow. There is no competition between anyone in this group. This is for self growth only. I'm not comparing any child. All are doing good. Aryan, okay. Dry fruits every day. Very good. Better you soak in the night and morning you do. And this is one thing. And help your parents in the home at least two time morning help. Generally you can do all the time, but minimum you have to do. When your parents are working in the kitchen or anywhere, you ask them, shall I help you anything? I'll do. I'll ask your parents from today onwards at least two help you got from yourself in their work. Like if they are doing in the kitchen, keeping the plates in the track, or for dinner time, keeping setting the table. After finishing the dinner, so helping them to put all the things. Anything. Okay, make a habit of helping to parents in the home when you are at home. Okay, and one more thing, reading book I told. Are you following? every day. Like one day you did, 2 days you gave break, not like that. Consistency is the main important. Already we have discussed. If you maintain consistency only, that is you can do many things. You don't give the break. That's why I kept the holiday on Sundays, class on Sunday also. Because consistency is required. Same thing I am telling one again and again example. Sports players or any player, any champion, any civil services. If you ask them, did they give break? If they would have given break, they didn't reach this place. Some once in 1 month is okay. Once in 2, 3 weeks is okay. But never give the breaks. Maintain the consistency in your habits.